Thank you. Have it secure. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. From the flight deck, this is Captain Rosnick. I'd like to add our welcome aboard Delta Flight 374 over to DFW. We're all set up front. Should be pushing back momentarily. Once airborne, it'll be an hour 42 minutes from takeoff to touchdown. Welcome aboard.
And now, folks, our boarding door is closed. You may continue to use your mobile devices as long as they are set to airplane mode. Federal regulations prohibit the use of cellular networks during flight. The use of Wi-Fi to make video or voice calls is not allowed. We're now almost ready to go, so please take your seat, fasten your seatbelt, stow your tray tables and carry-on items. Make sure your aisle armrests are in the resting position. Flight attendants, prepare your doors for departure, cross-check and all call.
Blue. God don't play behind me. Nah, I ain't gonna troll that nigga. I ain't gonna troll that nigga about his wife. I'm gonna respect that. I ain't gonna troll him with his wife.
Non-stop flight to Dallas Fort Worth, flight number 374. My name is Jay. I'm the flight leader on today's flight. I'm assisted by 3 other fantastic Atlanta-based flight attendants, and it's our pleasure to take care of you this afternoon. Before we depart, we do ask that you please direct your attention to the video monitors for our brief presentation of the safety features of this Airbus 321 aircraft. If your video monitor is not working, please let a flight attendant know just as quickly as possible.
Sometimes inspiration is hard to find, and we can feel a little bit stuck.
Nah.
It's time to explore new cultures and rediscover the palette of our planet.
I ain't gonna troll him and his wife situation.
Color awakens
She ain't
our
got
senses
nothing to do with it.
and stirs our curiosity.
I ain't gonna go at his
The best way
family.
to find it
I ain't gonna do that.
is to get out there. Because at Delta, we believe expanding your horizons
I ain't gonna go
will
at his family,
expand
his
your
wife,
world.
and all that. She ain't got nothing to do with it. I ain't gonna troll him about his wife. I ain't gonna do that.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority, and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So before we depart, please pay attention to this important message. Stow all carry-on items securely in an overhead bin and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you. Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear.
If you lose an electronic device in your seat, do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for help.
As we leave the gate,
Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and adjusting the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle.
Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and keep it fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden rough air. In the event of rough air, the crew might also need to buckle up for safety. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted.
Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with all crew members' instructions, along with the posted placards and lighted information signs throughout the cabin.
Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 8 exits on this plane, 8 doors, 4 on each side. 4 doors have detachable slides that can be used as rafts. An additional raft is located in an overhead bin behind the wings.
In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind.
All exits are clearly marked with the green exit symbol. Locate the nearest exits and remember, they might be behind you.
If we lose power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
I just prayed about it.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. Reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest.
For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around their waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lab children are in marked compartments at the front and rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Now, before we take off, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Be sure you fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap, secured your carry-on items, and put your armrests at resting position. Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket.
You don't want me with it, but...
While we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, thank you for flying with Delta.
Hey, one last thing you think if you want to down here and take those cups up. Thank you so much.
We're offering fast, free Wi-Fi on today's flight. Switch your device to airplane mode and turn Wi-Fi on. Next, choose the DeltaWiFi.com network. If the Wi-Fi sign-in page does not open, go to DeltaWiFi.com using your browser. Sign in with your SkyMiles account, or sign up for SkyMiles for free. Once connected, you'll unlock Delta Sync exclusives, where you can explore curated experiences from brands you love, all with a SkyMiles membership.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I-10, please prepare cabin for departure.
I thought they was gonna pay me my money, but you know, after I went to jail, they don't want to pay me nothing now. They think I'm finna go lay down. I don't wanna pay me nothing, no. Nigga ain't gonna have no good luck. Nah, I tried it, I'm just fighting it with the lawyer. I get so angry. Shit had me mad. Pissed off. Dude need attention. Looking for attention. Attention seeker. I heard what he said, weird. Everybody know me and Weber stand on business, but we the most two-sided niggas. Everybody know WAC 100 do the most weird shit out here. I ain't really got nothing to say, bro. He looking for attention. Weird, all the faggot ass shit these people do, and you wanna try to come at Boosie and Weber? You ain't standing on business.